morning, my peeps. How you all going today? Janine here again, guys. Rocking it out for us over 40s once again. Yes, I am. Now this morning, guys, I'm going to do a very quick look for you because, yes, after week again. How's everyone going out there? I am keeping it positive, guys, and trying to, you know, keep going as we all do. Today, guys, I wanted to do a very fast look for you. I am wearing my black dress today, and I wanted to try something in the Urban Decay Wired Palette. Yes, colourful, everything amazing about it. I mean, check that out. I love it. Kind of like the James Charles. So we're gonna give that a go. I'm gonna make it very wearable for us. Yes, we can wear whatever we want to. Yep, honestly. So firstly, I've done all my creams and serums this morning, so I'm gonna check on some of my Bobbi Brown Extra. Yep, this is gonna be very fast. Extra illumination. Yes, what do you think, guys? Those spots are going? Yep, they are. I am being positive, and yes, I'm happy as. Well, trying to be. You know, I'm just saying to myself I'm happy. I'm not freaking over happy, I'm just saying it. So for foundation, we're going to be using my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I love this stuff. It is truly like silk. Honestly, it is. I'm going to add in some of my Deep Bronzy. I feel like it's still a bit light. So this is a Drunk Elephant Deep Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. And I'm going to tan this foundation up a bit. Oh! But too much. That's okay. That's fine. In a rush. Let's just mix it around into our foundation. Let's get that on. Yes, nice and glowy. Yep. Okay, my peeps, bit of concealer now. Hourglass. Let's get that on up there. Would it help if I pulled my hair back? And I'm also going to do a little, I'm going to show you guys how I do my hair. Anyone with curly hair out there who's interested? Yeah, man, so wait for that. Look how glowy that looks, guys, with that, our, how's it, Bobbi. Not too overboard, but just, you know, just enough. Anyway, spot conceal time, guys. So we're going to use my Benefit Boing Industrial Strength Concealer. Need it. Okay, my peeps, it's diffuse these edges, eh? And it's worth the time, guys, doing the spot concealing. I mean, as you can see, you know, it doesn't, you could go hard out, but it does cover those marks. And as long as your base looks good, you don't even need to wear makeup. You know, as long as the skin looks nice and fresh and healthy. Even if it's not. Yes, very weird. All good. Okay, my peeps, let's get a bit of powder up on us. Charlotte Tilbury as usual. airbrush. Oh, look, I'm nearly hitting pan, guys. Oh, good. All right, my peeps, let's hit it with our Urban Decay Wired Palette. Very colorful. I love it. I don't give a shit what anyone says. Let's show them. Let's show them. All right, guys, grab a fluffy brush and let's hit it with now we do need a transition, and there doesn't seem to be anything browny in here, which is obvious. So let's go for the switch, this orangey one. Whoa. Tap it off. Get that up here. I love it. Yes, yes. We can do a transition. Yeah, we could do that with the old switch. It's a little bit powdery, but hey man, I don't mind. All right, guys, let's go for, I'm gonna go Shock or Savage. Oh, the green one. Green. Let's go for the green, eh? This one right here. Yes. Jolt. It's called Jolt. Not too pigmented, which is nice, I mean, for us. Oh, I'm losing pigmentation. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Yeah. A bit dusty. A little bit dusty in the pan. Alright guys, let's go and put some of this pink on now, eh? That one there. And it's called Savage. Let's get that up here. I love pink, so let's put it up here a bit. Just in the crease. Yeah, we're still going to blend that out, guys, so don't you worry about it. All right, let's go for a darker one now. Now, our darker one, oh, I really do that. I mean, look at that. I love it. I absolutely love it. Let's go for, what if we should do the green? Green or purple, guys? I do love that green. Let's go for it. Let's go for currant. Whoa. Oh, I love that green. Check that out, guys. I might actually put that more over. Yes, yep, we can rock that. I love it. I absolutely love it, guys. And, you know, that's what it's all about. Look at that. So now I'm going to see some more of the switch orangey one on us. Just to buff out the top. Yes, guys. Clean brush. Let's just buff everything out. Okay, my peeps, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the screen. I'm going to intensify it some more using my MAC 248. I just used a normal brush before, so I think if I use, ooh, why not, right? Oh my gosh, see the difference when you use the proper brush? Wow. Wow. I'll just put it in the middle for now. Wow. Can you see that difference, guys, when you use the proper brush? I was using just my normal Morphe fluffy one, and now I've used the proper, you know, brush for the metallics. You can really see it properly now. Wow! I love it. Kind of retro, kind of a retro kind of look. Clean up where you need to, guys. Clean up where you need to. I love it. Absolutely. Let's get some colour on the lower. I am in a bit of a rush. Now I would love to shove that blue all over my lower. But I am going to work, guys, so I am going to put a bit of this slow burn on. Now that looks like a metallic as well. But let's go for some green actually underneath though. Using that MAC. Just a little. I love it. I love it. Now let's get some of this purple. Gravity, just on the outer. I love it. Now I better stop before I go too crazy. Clean up where you need to. Oh my gosh, that purple's beautiful. We will use that in another video. Absolutely love it. What do you guys think? It's gonna look better than this, guys. I love that purple. Oh my goodness. But you know, today's about the greens. Lighten it up a little bit. They've gone a bit too much down. Yes. Okay, my peeps, what do you guys think? I love it. Urban Decay, guys, wired. Whew. Be creating more looks with that. All right, I gotta go. Tom Ford Emotion Proof and Black Dominator. I love this eyeliner, guys. It doesn't smudge. It's bloody, oh, honestly. Charlotte Tilbury Brow Lift. And it all changes. The look will all change, guys, once you put your eyebrows on and your, you know, eyeliner and stuff. So I really do need to get my eyebrows done. That's gonna have to do for now. I'm just kind of tidying them up myself. What do you guys think? I love it. All right, bronzer time, guys. And today I'm gonna use my new Hourglass. Oh, it's so dirty, sorry. Hourglass. It's a new bronzer that's our Ambient Luminous Bronze and Light. Well, no. Luminous Bronze Light. And that's it there. Oh my gosh, amazing, beautiful. Let's get up there. I'm gonna put heaps on. Wow. Oh, isn't that a beautiful bronzer? Hourglass, guys. Gotta get it. Come under here. Chisel, snatch that jaw, guys. Snatch it. Wow. What a beautiful bronzer, eh? Just gonna put a bit up my nose. Try and chisel that out a bit. Yes, yes, guys, I do love it. I do love it. What do you guys think? I think she's gorgeous. I love the look. I love it. I do. So we're going to use our Kevin Eye Quantity, guys. Beautiful, beautiful blush as usual. And golden sand. No, pink sands. Just a little bit. Now let's put on a bit of highlighter, eh? And I've got a new one for you guys. Danessa Myricks in light highlighter, in light halo powder, and angel wings. That one. Let's give it a go anyway. Hope it's not, oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that, guys. I'm going to be very, 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 very super careful with this because I've never used it before. Oh. Small brush. Oh, oh, oh my goodness. Glittery, but beautiful. But like it flies around a bit. It flies around. If you know what I'm saying. It flies around the room. I mean, as I'm applying this, can you see it in the air? I think I'm going overboard. Yeah. A little bit, I mean, if you don't like glitter, I'm not a big fan of glitter, to be honest. But hey, I quite like that. I mean, it's okay. I thought it'd be more intense than that, actually. I'm a big highlighter fan. Oh, shivers. I think I've gone overboard, guys. Gotta put it away. Shit. Put that away. Away, 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 away. Okay, my peeps, so let's put some setting spray on, eh? I've got to get going. What do you guys think of this look? I love it. Veil, Hourglass Veil, Soft Focus Setting Spray. I love this. The sprayer is amazing. Okay, mascara time, guys. It's hard here, so good to get going. Ah! Bloody hell. Okay, my peeps, let's wait for that bloody mascara to dry down. Lippy today, guys. I'm loving this MAC Powder Kiss in Sultry Nude. I love it. Yes. Okay, my peeps, before we wipe the stupid mascara off, I'm going to put on my Tommy Ford Beau de Jour. Oh my gosh, I really love this one. I really love it. You guys have to get it. Let's give it a go. Oh, I don't have time. I gotta get going here. Yep, that's gonna have to do. So, what do you guys think? You guys like this look? Check that green out, guys. I really, 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 really want you guys to try these colors. I really do. I'm 44, guys, and you know, if I can rock this, you guys can too. I'm not joking. And you saw how easy that was. Check that out. That purple underneath. Isn't it gorgeous? That green is amazing using that MAC brush, eh? I love it. Chuck the orange on top. Yes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I have to get to work, and keep positive, guys. That is my goal this week, and resetting, maintaining, staying off any alcohol whatsoever, and yeah, eating healthy and keeping my kids safe. And yeah, and that's all I'm going to be up to. Loving that green. So yeah, I'll check you guys later. Have a great week.